Hey everybody, it's Tim from Linessa Farms, specialty in heirloom livestock. Thanks for joining us again today. As always, you can contact us on our website at www.linessafarms.com. Send us an email at customerservice@linessafarms.com or give us a call or send us a text at the number listed below. Today we are continuing our livestock health series talking about ear tagging. These videos are made specifically for you and viewers just like you based off the feedback and questions that we receive. So make sure if you have a question, you let us know. And hey, don't forget those thumbs up and very important that you subscribe. Without further delay, let's get started talking about ear tagging. So today we're going to be talking about ear tagging. This is something that some people do and some people don't. Now here at Linessa Farms, we tag all of our animals for various reasons. Two main reasons. One, we keep detailed health records, and by looking at the tag, we're able to tell which animal is which, and we're able to refer the number on the tag back to the specific animal so we can update and review medical information if we need to. The other thing is we do some specific things with our tags that help us actually identify our animals at a glance. For one thing, we tag our animals in a certain ear depending on if they're male or female. So at a glance, regardless of the angle I'm at from the animal, I can tell if it's a male or a female. Second thing I do is I color coordinate all of my tags based off the year that the animals were born. So this is 2019 and this is a blue year, so all of the lambs this year are getting blue tags. Last year, 2018, was pink, and I believe the year before that was green. Regardless, these tags allow us to really identify the animal a little bit more easily than people might outwardly assume. It's not just about the number, it's about other things as well. Now, if you take a look at tags, they are all different. Long ago, before the tags came about, individuals used a notching system sometimes on the ears of the animal. Then we went to brass tags, which a hole was actually punched in the animal's ear and then the tag was applied. Now we have mostly plastic tags that are embossed, and they're applied with a tagging gun. Now, more recently, we've had RFID tags that are starting to be applied that not only have a number and a color, but they can also be scanned with an RFID identifying gun, and it will actually utilize that information to send it to a computer. But we're not going to get into all that today. I just want to give you a brief info about the tags and what goes into them, and now we are going to actually step into our video where I show you the process of actually tagging a lamb.
All right, so today we're going to be talking about a little bit more in depth about tagging lamb's ears. So I have my alcohol swab here. I also have my tag. Your tags may look different than this, but generally speaking, they're all the same. The first thing you want to check is you want to check both your tags. Make sure that the numbers are exactly the same. Then you want to check your serviceability of your tagging machine. In this case, we're good. Everything fits correctly. Different ones load up different ways. I actually have a couple of different ones. Here's another example of a tagger, but as you can see, generally speaking, they both work on the same principle. The female tag goes in one side, the male tag end slips over another, and then when you apply it, it's going to squeeze through the animal's ear and it's going to lock into the other side. In this case, I'm going to use this one here. It actually has a little bit more leverage and a little bit more room, and I feel that it works a little bit better. So I'm going to apply my tag. I've checked both sides to make sure that they're the same. I've already treated my animal with tetanus antitoxin. If you have not already given your animal tetanus antitoxin or any kind of tetanus vaccination, you're going to want to make sure that you do it. Anytime I do anything that's going to break the skin, I treat the animal with tetanus antitoxin if they have not already been treated with the vaccine. So I'm just sterilizing, or I should say cleaning. I'm not actually going to sterilize it by doing this, but I'm going to put alcohol on both sides of this. And then I'm going to go over to my lamb here. Now we tag our lambs in different ears depending on if they're males or females. If they're females, we tag them in the right. If they're males, we tag them on the left. Now if you come here and look inside the lamb's ear, you can see there are these ribs of cartilage in there. And when we tag, we want to make sure that we go between those ribs of cartilage. We don't want to go on the rib of cartilage. And we don't want to go too far up in the ear or too far out. You want to go right about where these folds come out and join. You want to go right about there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean out the inside of the ear, and I'm going to clean off the outside of the ear. It's a little uncomfortable for him or her when I'm rubbing on it, but I want to make sure that they're as clean as I can get. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my tagging tool, and I'm going to line up the point of that tagging tool. And then once I start to squeeze, I'm going to squeeze fast and hard and go all the way through. And that's it, and it's over. Relatively painless for the animal. It moves around freely, and they're done. And it'll stay in there for life. And now I can keep track of them in order to verify health records and know which animal is which. It's just that easy.
Well, again, thank you very much for watching our video. We hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget to subscribe. We have lots and lots of video content here on YouTube in which you can learn all kinds of interesting things. Check us out on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. And as you can see, we've placed all of that information for you right here. If you have questions, please let us know. We will make a video specifically for you.